See this? Yeah, so this see actually yeah, there are so many things on robots. Actually this defeat in a way half defeat. That was not the one you deserved actually. See the entire people that the entire people of India's was about supporting you against Modi and Amit Shah team. It was clear cut actually. There is a reason for this. Now these fellows are arranged 294. Now that is just to mere. Actually, this way in Congress itself, people are not stubborn to, and there is nobody to raise voice for it. That I understand. Even KCB, he competed and he was in Kerala yesterday this important day and so many. Also there is some old dadas, they only went to meet the election commission and all. So how will their voice and all, they will not speak up. That's the thing. But that the Salman Khurshid, everybody was going, so they were only desperate to block me. So that's the thing. Actually, see this also. See when I told against you that disclosed that fraud things, and after that only these all fellows gathered and but that at the time I have seen the yesterday's brother Pushpa's message, and so it was a realization for everybody, and they gathered and they planned and because they were activities, because if you how much or other arrogant ego and the messages and all, see that's what one person should know that this is life is not a game actually. It should be the people who are incapable, they only will take it as life as a game. That's what I was blaming for Pushpa also. So when it's not something committed, or if you are on an agreement or something on the path and running away or getting attracted to multiple things and going this and all shows the personality. That is not a good way. And so you wanted perfect, and you are for that only you are going with all the alliances. So what did it give you? Nothing, right? So that's the thing. Everything was without that. Everything was with you, and at that time you are not. See, this is what there is a things the Kasturiman. It will actually from his napi that there was between pregnant that nice smell is to come out, and he is not knowing that it is from his own napi, but he is to search everywhere where there is smell. That's the thing. It is the same to you also. So we had that switch to get this thing, and these many Congress leaders, everybody is laughing at me, and many were asking what is she doing, and this is what people's incapability to understand the things, and also what is the potential or what are the things, so many things. So in that ahankara you went, so actually you need to understand that when he was telling about this mutton, she said poison is kalakota visham, that kind of category. See, till that time you have used many prostitutes also, so that is because of your situation of needs. So that's okay. There is a truth in that. But the moment this culture we heard to that poison, that is something different. That is voluntarily has. There is a impurity in that. That's the thing. That's what everything is turning. There's so many things. That's it. So the way when under the screwing up and over the thing, your messages they changed. I know that how the screwing up and also how we are under the offers and how we are getting vulnerable. So that's the thing. That is what. Changed everything. That's the only thing. Otherwise, simple I could have won. Because now, the one people who are dedicating their 24/7 for uplifting, supporting, and by understanding the stages, and don't consider just their inability and don't make them that they don't have any other out of the. So that kind of words coming from our mouth. So that I don't know how impact. That's the thing. That's the only thing. Otherwise, this was not the way it should be. Actually, this is a crucial situation. They only kept the loopholes, the BJP only kept the loopholes for them for the public to realize who they are. Actually, that by the suspension of onboard and MBs facing the bank accounts, everything they hijacked everything, right? That was the clear-cut evidence proves. It spoke for themselves even, their activities like that. So they tend to wear the favor. And then, anyway. So many ahankar figures. How many times I told that I was being loud, but still you are thinking every time when before April, before going to the Wayanad also, you were asking me to go and convince I am shy because see, you are not doing that. How much I was getting insulted, and so you very you could have done, but you are not doing that. That's the thing I was getting angry at your secretaries, these all things. That's how because of our fight this has lost. That's only. Actually, still yesterday, that's what they were delaying, and they were purposefully turning everything. This I know clearly that when I went to Chief Information Officer, the office, they had told that. They first, when I told this, oh, when you are going like that, they will listen like that. Actually, this kind of, see, there is nobody to talk. That's the only reason. This is the main problem in Congress. Confident, courageous people are not there to take stubborn actions or leave. That's the thing. And then, who are all trying to do, they will only spoil them with their internal things. And everybody want to do the same Modi. Then Modi's time is over. Modi cannot do anything. That I told clearly because that horoscope that is latest as a proof it came. Otherwise, this I understood clearly. This is sad. Actually, I am unnecessarily wasting my energy, time, and energy. That's it. We should not try to. Main thing, we should not offer free service. Then people will get habituated, and these all things, these all Malayali fellows also, these all Narendras also, everybody, these all fellows, everybody will switch and scrutinize my each and every words, everything will do. Then they will use, and then they will stamp, that stamp. But anyway, the Smriti Irani learned the hard lesson. That's that's the truth. The power. And then another thing, and yeah, so actually there is no point to worry because see now everybody got everybody got each and every people are discussing, everybody got a craze, and so this is the nice platform, way we can build back everything. So it's a way, there is a way, everything can get it. Actually now these fellows are, that Nitish Kumar, he have only 12 seats, then how this much importance they are giving. But in Telangana, this Congress has so much seat lost, right? That and also that Sharmala Reddy, and how this is what the thing, how many people they have brought up and unnecessarily, people are not knowing whom have to respect, whom have to give them value and nothing. Your people are running behind you, all the alliance, everything. That's the thing, that's the news. Okay. You need to understand that. See, we don't need plenty of people or nothing. Even if one person is standing stubborn, truthfully, that is enough, more than enough. But people are not the greediness, desperateness of the power. And that is the thing. And thinking that high class. So that only lost. Because no overall acting or supporting, they are only backstabbing also. That is another thing. So many things. Anyway, in Kerala agreements only, Suresh Gopi won actually. That is the opener and they're both agreements only. But anyway, he is the deserving person to be elected. There is another thing. Then another thing. See, the Raebareli seat in United States. See, one thing is there. Raebareli not because of you, because of Priyanka ji, it has been won. Okay, she have done the hard work. She is the one deserving that seat. Not only now, she was only managing the entire UP. So she has a strong hold in there. So that's the thing. Actually, unnecessarily wasted the money. But anyway, it was a way when you went after that, all the UP effect, everything has happened. But anyway, so you give that seat to Priyanka Jolie. She is the only deserving. Don't think that three people are from the same family and all. So let it be. Because now, see, you want with more than 4 lakh of majority. So the people demand, need it. So give that. Actually, Amit now that Sharlal Sharma, he is a nice person, right? So that is also a good decision, your humbleness. So anyway, next time we can take Amati also. Don't worry. So give that because she is deserving. Give that to her. Raebareli, let her compete from there. She will win easily. Because any other person, that will be dangerous thing. It's okay. And why not your backup? Let it be there. Or Nilambur, that Tiruvandapuram. Actually, see, this is one lesson you should learn. Because now, that much my mind got disappointed. That's the only thing. Otherwise, just I am not blabbering. Just this much was easy. These fellas are nothing. When a strong, confident person who is knowing about the system and the fundamental way they are playing, and they are all each and everything. So such a person, nobody can defeat. That's the thing. That's what my frustration. Actually, this is what see, through this they revealed, right? So how the chemicals are affecting. This is what was a pushback. Don't think that you won and you're this dirty place and third class way, the way from 2017 onwards, how much chemicals you are putting and rejecting out and doing the things. Just count down. And then again Davinci. So don't get a but yeah, people need to understand that who has to we have to value, and your last message that you need to understand that that so many things that see when did you realize that this and that thing has to be realized at the right way, when so many people will be there to praise and give up that and all their boost or ego, everything will be there, but they will be there for them their benefits only. They will be going on after praising you, they will be going with the other also where they will be there. Okay, so many things are there. Also I felt very bad about how the Kerala Logi played, and the Samlal uncle and relatives. Actually, even though he's a good person, but everybody after all their benefits and from where they can grab, and they don't have any other specific manicure, nothing. Everybody will put big dialogues. Everybody's national interest is matter, national safety, and then so many things. So don't get disappointed now. But the alliances anyway, the one another thing, these all alliances now together it will be again a, that is the thing. But don't worry, this is a nice platform and we have nice ways. Don't worry. Cool. And then again, this is the thing. If I hate to tell something, to whom I hate to tell, that's the problem. These are all the major things. How many times telling also not understanding, but this is the thing. That and the thing actually as a PM candidate has to realize this many things. Everybody in Congress, that's what I felt actually. This might be politicians, they might be like this, and we are from technical field and came and we are not like this, and that might be the thing I am feeling like it. But for you people this might be a more normal way. This is also another thing. And playing who will be so many things. But anyway, there is a way. We don't need to get act or afraid or try to trap or nothing. There is a straightforward way we can handle everything and simply we can achieve. There is no need to put much effort even. That much it was easy. But anyway, so many things. They have managed 294 or something, right? But it's not true. Till night 10 p.m. also they didn't declare the results completely, right? That's the thing. These fellows are delaying and threatening these whole things. How nicely. With a well-prepped from the voting day onwards, we should have been careful about these all things and everything in between. Many faces also I was calling. That is also so the spots are sitting down, lashing in it, the hunger. Actually, many of the people from Congress has to leave. That's the thing. Also, the old people, they has to be. There should be a clear-cut limit, age limit for the politician. Not only in BJP, Congress, BJP also. It's more than 75. 75 should be the maximum. Other than that, should not give that, because after that also there will be so much of mental changes will happen, and it's not a good way. We can take consider them as part of a team or something like that. It should not be that they should be. So you should understand, don't think. You are now the first onwards, Professor Pushpa was keeping you in the trap and giving the which offers and to like we'll see. Anyway, after March, when after coming back from Bombay, and when these fellows have frozen the account also, at that time you realized everything, and you accepted that it was your mistake that you went into that path. But again, when they gave offers, you went into. That's the thing. That's not my frustration, because you will not believe me completely, and you are what others you are giving more importance to them. That's the reason. So many things. When a person is actually, you fellows, none of you fellows have the minimum eligibility or credibility to understand that what I am doing for you people. That even how much my brain and how much things. See my wall, half of the hair. You see here and all, it's clear cut. Half of my hair got fallen. That because that much effort, because I am not even eating to that. Also, how much I was doing that, and so many things. But anyway, one from the three blinds. But don't put the primarily give to Priyanka. She deserves that. Okay. And you don't get into the trap. And you don't now these fellows again will put the mutton. See, I'm not telling about out of jealous. It's nothing for me to get jealous. I am not a person to get jealous. I'm telling you, if I don't the process, you fellows have spoiled my personality. And that's the thing, Angel. That's the thing. So, she's a cultural poison. That poison only spoiled everything. The good, the truth, the purity in you. I could understand how you transformed starter practice. That's what again. That's the only reason you need to understand that when I told against you that with that proves. That's the reason this result turned against you. From that you need to understand that, because they told, I had to tell, because I could understand that how you are thinking, because I was knowing that if you are going to be with her, and then you will be going much worse than the previous, what in the history, the frauds or anything, whatever the thing, because that much culture cunning poison is that culture dirty devil. It's a shaba is that you had to suck her. That's the thing that you need to understand, that that much it's a double. That's the reason, because of that only. There should be truth in our activities, and everything should. Then only we will get the results also in that. Okay? So don't get even do. There's a truthful way. Still we can do it. There's a truthful way.